Hello friends, how are you today? Miss Indah hope all of you doing good and stay safe at home. Today Miss Indah will try to read you a story. The story is about the ugly duckling. Do you want to hear it? Let's start. Mommy Duck lived on a farm. In her nest, she had 5 little eggs and 1 big egg. One day, the 5 little eggs started to crack. Tap, tap, tap. 5 pretty yellow baby duckling came out. Then the big egg started to crack. Bang, bang, bang. Oh, one big ugly duckling came out. "Ooh, that's strange," thought Mommy Duck. Nobody wanted to play with him. "Go away," said his brothers and sisters. "You are ugly." The ugly duckling was sad. So he went to find some new friends. "Go away," said the pig. "Moo, go away," said the cow. No one wanted to be his friend. It started to get cold. It started to snow. The ugly duckling found an empty barn and lived there. He was cold, sad, and alone. Then, spring finally came. The ugly duckling left the barn and he went back to the pond. He was very thirsty and put his beak into the water. He saw a beautiful white bird. "Whoa," he said. Who's that?" "It's you," said another beautiful white bird. "Me? But I'm an ugly duckling." "Not anymore. You are a beautiful swan, just like me. Do you want to be my friend?" "Yes." He smiled. All the other animals watched as the 2 swans flew away. They'd be friends forever. Okay, so after hearing the story about the ugly duckling, what do you think, friends? Do you think it's a good thing to ignore someone who is different from us? Do you think being different is wrong? Of course, no. We cannot ignore someone who is different from us. As you see, even in your class, everyone looks different, right? They have different faces. Some are short, some are tall, some may be fat and some are slim. But above all, we all the same in God's eye. God loves us even though we are different in many ways. Remember, we need to be kind to each other. We cannot ignore and not being kind, even if they look different from us. So that's it from Miss Indah. Hope you like the story. And don't forget about the moral value you can get from the story. Hope we can meet again in the next storytelling session. Looking forward for another story time with you. Bye bye.